Multiple choice question of the chapter first of biochemistry, that is introduction to biochemistry. In that we have the scope of biochemistry and the next we have cell organelles. So here are some question based on it. Very first question is, which of these are not eukaryotic? What do you mean by eukaryotic? Eukaryotic क्या है? That is composed of one or more cell containing visible evident nuclei और organelles. अगर इसमें यह है तो यह है eukaryotic. इसमें क्वेश्चन है which of the following are not eukaryotic? That is the correct answer is D, moneras. Next question we have, which is the heaviest particulate compound of the cell? इसमें से कौन सा heaviest compound है या component है of cell? heaviest है. So the correct answer is A, that is nucleus. Nucleus is the heaviest particulate compound of the cell. Next question we have, which of these structure of phospholipid bilayer is correctly matched with its property? So let's see the options, that is phosphate head hydrophobic, phosphate head hydrophilic, C is lipid tail hydrophilic, and the last is lipid tail polar. So the correct option is B, that is phosphate head hydrophilic. ये उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ये है विच ऑफ दी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड बाइलेयर, फॉस्फोलिपिड जो बाइलेयर है इस करेक्टली मैच करेंगे उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से. तो करेक्ट जो है दैट इज फॉस्फेट हेड हाइड्रोफिलिक. Hydrophilic is water loving compound. Okay, next we have question number 4, that is the cellular organelles called suicide bag. इसमें से किसको suicide bags बोलते हैं? First is lysosome, second is ribosome, third is nucleolus, and the last is Golgi body. So the correct option is, यहाँ पे पूछा गया suicide bags किसको बोलते हैं? suicide bags किसको बोलते हैं? तो suicide bags जो है lysosome को बोलते हैं. The correct answer is lysosomes. Next is the powerhouse of the cell. यहाँ पे जो है powerhouse जो है सेल का कौन है, ये क्वेश्चन है. The correct answer is mitochondria. So mitochondria जो है that is the powerhouse of the cell. नेक्स्ट इज द मोस्ट एक्टिव साइट ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. ऐसा कौन सा साइट है जो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिव है फॉर द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस? प्रोटीन बनाने के लिए ऐसा कौन सा साइट सबसे एक्टिव है? लेट्स सी द ऑप्शन, दैट इज न्यूक्लियस, राइबोसोम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड लाइसोसोम. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ribosome. So ribosome is the active site of protein synthesis. 7th question is, the function of Golgi complex is? Golgi complex के क्या functions है? Let's see the very first option, that is synthesize protein. Next जो है produce ATP, या फिर next option is provide a path for transporting chemicals. Last is form glycoprotein. तो यहाँ पर जो है द फंक्शन ऑफ गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स इज टू फॉर्म अ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, टू फॉर्म अ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 8th क्वेश्चन, दैट इज एंजाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन आर प्रेजेंट मेनली इन. जो एंजाइम रिक्वायर्ड है, किसके लिए एंजाइम रिक्वायर्ड है? इलेक्ट्रॉन को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है चेन फॉर्म में, आर प्रेजेंट इन, ये किस में प्रेजेंट है? ये न्यूक्लियस में प्रेजेंट है, राइबोसोम में प्रेजेंट है, या फिर ये इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में प्रेजेंट है, या फिर ये लाइसोसोम में प्रेजेंट? Let's see the correct answer, that is the inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay. Ninth question is, which organelles help in equal division of chromosomes by pulling them apart? Why pulling them? ऐसे जो organelles है, कौन से ऐसे organelles है जो help out कर रहे for the pulling them apart? क्रोमोसोम को पुल कर रहे by, तो करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है दैट इज सेंट्रियोल्स. सेंट्रियोल्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर पुलिंग द क्रोमोसोम अपार्ट. नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सिंथेसिस ऑफ कोलेस्टेरॉल एंड स्टेरॉइड इज द फंक्शन ऑफ, किसका फंक्शन है? दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम. If you want to see the answer, you can see the answer key in the bottom. Okay. Which one is the largest particulate of the cytoplasm? इसमें क्वेश्चन ये है कि कौन सा सबसे लार्जेस्ट पर्टिकुलेट है साइटोप्लाज्म में. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. That is mitochondria. Next we have the degradative process are characterized by, the degradative process are categorized under the heading of under the heading of degradative process किसके अंडर categorize है? So the correct answer is catabolism. Catabolism is the correct answer. Next is the exchange of material take place. जो material exchange हो रहा वो कैसे हो रहा? So the correct answer is only by diffusion, only by active transport, only by pinocytosis. So it is exchanged by diffusion as well, active transport as well, and pinocytosis. So the correct answer is all of these. Next question we have the average pH of urine is B, that is 6.0. Next question we will be seeing, this question is not in the cell chapter. Next question is the pH of the blood is 7.4 when the ratio between H2CO3 and NaHCO3 is, the correct answer is 1:20. The ratio is 1:20. Next, the phenomena of osmosis is opposite to that of, osmosis का opposite क्या है? So the correct option is diffusion. Next question is the surface tension in the, this is also not the question of the chapter. Next we will be heading, which of the following is located in mitochondria? The correct answer is all of these. It is cytochrome oxidase, succinate dehydrogenase, and next is dihydrolifolate dehydrogenase. So the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Next question is the most active site of protein synthesis is, so we have seen in previous question as well. So the active site is ribosome. The active site of protein synthesis is ribosome. Next is the fatty acid can be transported into and out of mitochondria through, जो active acid है वो transport कर सकते into as well as out of mitochondria. किससे कर सकते? The correct option is facilitated transfer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डीएनए इज, जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डीएनए वो कैसा है, वो सर्कुलर डबल स्टैंडर्ड है या फिर सर्कुलर सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड है या फिर वो लीनियर डबल हेलिक्स है या फिर none of these. So the correct option is that is circular double standard. इसका जो डीएनए है माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डीएनए जो है वो सर्कुलर डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए है. नेक्स्ट इज the absorption of intact protein from the gut in the fetal. So this is also not the question of cell. Next we will be heading, so we have seen the previous question. Suicidal bags किसको बोलते हैं, suicidal bags, that is lysosome कुछ बोलते हैं. ठीक है, lysosome. Next, bulk transport across the cell membrane is accomplished by. जो bulk transport है सेल मेम्ब्रेन का वो कैसे अकम्प्लिश हुआ या किससे अकम्प्लिश हुआ. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज it is phagocytosis as well, it is pinocytosis as well, and extraction as well. So the correct option is all of these. Next is the ability of the cell to act as a selective barrier depend upon. ये जो ability है सेल मेम्ब्रेन की to act as a selective barrier. So क्या इसका आंसर हो सकता, just think over it. The lipid composition of the cell membrane, the pore which allow the small molecules, the special mediated transport system. So these all are correct option. The correct answer is all of these. Next is the carrier protein. Carrier protein क्या हो सकता है ये? The correct option is perform all of these functions. Perform all of these functions जो कि है ट्रांसपोर्ट ओनली वन सब्सटेंस, या फिर वो ट्रांसपोर्ट कर सकता अदर सब्सटेंस, या फिर वो एक्सचेंज कर सकता. तो उसके अंदर सारे फंक्शंस हैं. नेक्स्ट इज अ लिपिड बाइलेयर इज परमिएबल टू. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑफ लिपिड चैप्टर और इट इज़ ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट चैप्टर. So the correct option is urea. Next is the Golgi complex क्या करता, सिंथेसाइज करता है ये प्रोटीन को या फिर ये प्रोड्यूस ATP. The correct option is forms glycoprotein. So we have seen this also in the previous question. Next is the following point about next is the following point about microfilament are not true, are true except, true है ये except the correct, let's see the options of these. They form a cycloskeleton with microtubules, they provide support and shape, they form a intracellular conducting channels, they are involved in muscle cell contraction. So the correct option is C. They form a intracellular conducting channels. Next is the following substance are cell inclusion except. Next question we have the fatty acid can transport into and out of the cell membrane by. So the correct option is facilitated transport. Next is, so this also we have seen in the previous question. Enzyme catalyzing electron transport are present mainly in. So basically enzyme catalyzing जो है electron that are present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. जो ये एंजाइम है एंजाइम कैटेलाइजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन ये प्रेजेंट है इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में. Next, let's see the question. the mammalian cell RNA are produced mainly in, so they are mainly produced in nucleolus. The correct option is C. Next is genetic information of nuclear DNA is transmitted to the site of protein synthesis by, correct option is D, that is polysomes. Next is the powerhouse of the cell. ये बहुत ज़्यादा basic question है. The correct answer is mitochondria. Now, last question is the digestive enzyme of cellular compound are confined to. So the correct answer is A, lysosomes. So this was it for the first chapter. These questions may be helpful for your exit exam as well. So these were very basic questions of the first chapter of biochemistry. Hope you understood. For more such questions, please check out my channel. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe and hit a bell icon.